welcome back to my channel. Today I am in my salon, and if you can hear clipping and clopping on the floor, it's just tiny little clippy feet of my babies running about on the floor, and I'm really sorry, but they wanted to help me, so that's what you're doing, aren't you, baby doll? And you, yes, you. So I'm really sorry about the noise if you can hear it. So the salon is a little bit of a mess. Let me just show you. I did my hair not long ago and I haven't cleaned and tidied. The nail desk area is a bit of a mess. Everything sort of needs sorting out. So I have a client in a couple of days and I need to get everything sorted before then. So I thought, let's do a video. Also, this is kind of me getting the salon sorted for Christmas so I can get my Christmas decorations and that up. So I think I'm probably just going to get on with it and just like leave the camera rolling and, you know, just do a bit of a time lapse, I guess. So let's get to it. Right, so that is the hair session is looking much better now. Let's move you guys around. And now this is the, oh, I moved it the wrong way. I need to move it like this. So this is what we're dealing with now, guys. It's not too bad. It's not too bad, but yeah, there's a bit of work to be done. And it is nails that my friend is coming for, so that doesn't fall off again. That's so bright. Okay. Oh my god. I was keeping my nail drill on the windowsill, but I've realised, I wonder if I could just put something behind it. But basically, I realised that the heat was making it overheat on its own, like the sun, because the sun is straight onto like where we are right now. And I tried to use it and it just wasn't working, and it was because it had overheated, so not great. But what if we put this like that and then put her, I call her a her. Mind you, she can just stay here, it's not a big deal. I've got space for her to go there, so she can just stay there. Okay, fine. I haven't found like 100% places for things yet, but I'm getting there, so. I'm just actually going to set it up now so it is ready for a client. I'm not sure if I'm going to be filming a nail video before, so this will need to be up. If I'm not, I'll just take this away and it will just be this and this, because hopefully she's going to let me film as well. Obviously I've told her she doesn't have to be in the video, it'll just be her hands and she won't, you know, no one will be able to see her, so it'll be fine. So that is all set. Apart from obviously that clamp, that is ready. The sun is so bright I can't actually see when I'm stood over there, but I think that's looking alright now, so. That. Am I ready? Yay! Oh, the dogs are so excited as well. So that's that, guys. I think that, for now, is going to do for the salon. Wasn't a massive job, but as you can see, I'm just going to empty the bin and then it's all ready. And then obviously this area here, I can't see. Look how bright it is. Oh my god, the camera is not loving this. The camera is not loving this. Let's put these away. Anywhere to put them. Christmas tree is just sat there for now. The Christmas tree is going to be going over here, I think. It was going to be going in that corner, but I've changed my mind. But I'm going to be doing a full-on decorating for Christmas. Oh my god, I'm going to have to like... Wow. Oh my god! Okay, so... that's the salon, a nice bit of a quick, I guess like a speed clean slash slightly getting ready for a client kind of thing. And it's looking so much better now. It was pretty messy before and now it's like more organised. So I'm ready and set to go now. If you enjoyed this video, do give me a thumbs up. I have a few more like tidying and organising videos, mainly in the upcoming to like Christmas and stuff, and getting ready for putting out the Christmas decorations and Christmas trees and all that. I've got about four or five Christmas trees in the house, so Jasmine! So yeah, there's quite a bit to do. But I hope you enjoyed the video, you guys. I hope you like the salon. It's not completely finished, but it's getting there now. It's like workable, like I can work in it now and stuff, which is really cool. Love you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!